Let's go, man. Say, girl, you my sleeping beauty. It's like every time I go to sleep, you right there with me. You my girl. But every time I wake up, I ain't got nobody. But I fantasize about you all the time.
Royal Beats 07 Instant Beatmeets.com.
My little red thing, riding in the hood with Beauty and the Beast. Oh yeah, she lookin' good. I'm like Pinocchio, I never lied to her. My nose never broke, she always on my wood. This life is too good, oh no it can't be real. Wake up a minute later, this dream's a fairy tale. I think I love this book, I'ma read it again. The big bad wolf, so please let me in. I wanna eat you up like 3 little pigs. My love will last forever, we live in Neverland. And even when we're grown, we live like Peter Pan. He's just a little boy, I gotta be a man. I need to step up, ain't got time for playing. I'm scared to talk to her, I don't know what I'm saying. I'm the cowardly lion, so wisdom make me brave. I really love this book, I read it every day.
Storybook girl, I want a storybook girl. Storybook girl, you can be my storybook girl. Storybook girl, I want a storybook girl. Storybook girl, you can be my storybook girl.
The happy ever after, so come and live with me, and I'll wake you up, my sleeping beauty. A ghetto fairy tale, let's make a movie. Don't need no 7 doors, it be just you and me. And we can ride off into the sunset, and I'll make it go from hey, you like that? I'm Rumpelstiltskin, do you know my name? Cause if you say it right, then I'll be your man. So let your hair down, be my Rapunzel. I'm grown simple, kick up the jungle. You come and sing with me, now this is sing along. My dreams are Disneyland, I'm never going home. United Johnny Armor, let me protect you. And when I kill a dragon, I wanna sex you. End of the second verse, let's call it chapter 2. You ready for the next? Gon' turn the page, boo.
Storybook girl, I want a storybook girl. Storybook girl, you can be my storybook girl. Storybook girl, I want a storybook girl. Storybook girl, you can be my storybook girl.
Now this the 3rd verse, let's call it chapter 3. I write a whole book and call it you and me. My pretty Pocahontas, baby you got me running like gingerbread man. But I ain't running from you, I'm trying to catch you girl, but you running from me. My love is Tinkerbell, do you believe in me? Like the Wizard of Oz, I walk the golden streets, but I walk alone, so come and walk with me. I'll be your Tweedledee, you be my Tweedledum. Like Cat in the Hat, you know we having fun, and I'll be bugging you like Sam I am, so please have a try. My little green eggs and ham, a bedtime story. I wanna fall asleep and never wake up, so you can be with me. Finish the storybook, will you read it again? Cause every time you do, I feel like I'm your man.